Hi all, this is Kelly again, and I had this idea for a little while, what I wanted to do, since, as you know, I'm working in my new part of my craft room, and I bought another one of these Sterilite storage containers because, I don't know if you know this, but in this area of my craft room, I have a couple, and I have one there I'm going to use over in there, kind of clean that area up. But lately, I hope I didn't make it easy. Lately, I've been working over in this area, and so what I thought I would do is I am trying to put all of my most used type of crafting tools and items, things that I use most, I want to put it in here and to have it handy for this area. So I just thought I would do a video and this will kind of show you my most used and liked tools for crafting. I went ahead, I'd like to keep my keyboard on top, and I may try to find an extra just drawer to put on the bottom to bring this up just a little bit, so I have one extra drawer. So anyways, I like to keep my keyboard for my computer up here on the top of there. That's what I did over in the other area. But I put I started out with just putting some trays in there and little storage things to, I may move those around, but so far I have my Cricut, and I love this paper cutter. It's my favorite. The other ones that I had, either this was too flimsy and it would move my cut a little bit, or the arm wasn't exactly like a 90-degree angle, and I could never get a very straight cut. And so I just put some containers that I got from the dollar store, and that last one I'm gonna leave it empty. But once after I start putting in the things that I use most often, I will come back and show you what I've put in there. All right, I just thought this might be kind of interesting to show you my most favorite tools and crafting items. So I'll be back. Okay, I've been going through and putting some things in here, and so I just kind of wanted to show you what I like to use. As far as this area here, this is where I do just kind of general, like seasonal projects and things like that. So what I've decided to keep in here is this first top drawer. Of course, I've got room to grow, of course, but I've got some glue sticks, and I've been liking the Gorilla Glue sticks quite a bit, and I've got some batteries. I always need batteries for my mouse or whatever. And then I have an extra X-Acto knife. And I found these at Harbor Freight. They're like little picks, and I thought I could use that for like weeding and things like that. And so, and then this is from my Cricut. It's to, can't remember what they call it, but to, you know, when I'm trying to adhere the, whatever I cut to like a transfer type or something. And then these are tools that I use a lot. This is, I think Tim Holtz, yeah. It's a pick. I use that quite a bit. I have another X-Acto knife. Yeah. And then I've got this pick. I used it quite a bit. I actually ended up bending the tip, but I really did like the fine. That's not. But anyways, I bent that so it's not. I still like to use it some things when I'm not using, trying to do like real tedious weeding or anything like that. And then of course I told you about my paper trimmer. I love this Cricut one. It's a perfect exact cut, like a 90-degree cut, so I love that. This is an extra camera that I keep out here. Then in this drawer, this is my favorite sticky tape, or two-sided tape. I get it at Hobby Lobby. I love it. That's my favorite. And here's some more glue sticks, Gorilla Glue sticks, and some E6000, and then some art glitter glue. I love that. And I have my heat gun back here with some powders to use with my heat gun, and then some couple different types of brushes, the sponge brushes. I use those quite a bit. Down here, of course, this is things for my Cricut. It's my I have transfer tape. This is a bunch of tools for my Cricut. So pretty much anything that you could need comes in this kit. I think I got it. Yeah, I went on Cricut on their website and purchased that. So I use that quite a bit. Okay, and let's see. I have over here in this corner, in that box, I have some transfer tape that I found on Amazon, and I love it because it's sticky enough but not too sticky. And then down here in the bottom, I've been using some molds with some clay. I've got an oven baked and then an air dried. I've been using those with my granddaughter. We've been playing with that a little bit. In this area, I also wanted to show you, I have a that's my internet. I love this thing because I can print out pictures on this Canon selfie. I love this thing because let's say there's an older picture, especially for like older pictures of like my grandparents or something like that. If you try to go to Walmart, they aren't going to print them because you didn't take the picture. So, of course, they're going to know I didn't because, you know, the picture was taken 50 years ago. But, so I love this. I use it quite a bit, especially when I'm doing like my mini photo albums. And then, of course, my Cricut Explorer. It's under there. I keep it covered. Okay, and then I keep some things here that I've got ideas for a project. And then this is, oh, I love to use a cutting board, a mat, because first of all, I'm not going to cut or ruin my table, and I don't have to worry about paint and things like that getting on it. I love this carousel too. I keep everything here. I keep all my scissors, some brushes, my tweezers, yeah, my scissors, some tape, some rulers, paint brushes, just some pins and things like that. And then I've got a plan for that. And I don't know if you saw my fairy garden, but it's been outside. But since it is supposed to be freezing at night, I started, I kind of tore that apart and brought in some of those flowers. And then this table, I thought I was going to use it for flower arrangements, which I do have, but I've been using this to keep my things that I'm working on for seasons. So that's coming really handy. So I can just put things over here. Over here is a mess. I haven't got to it yet. I've got a lot of beads and things like that, paints, and then down over there, of course, that's going to be like my paper area, and I'm going to clean that mess up and probably use this one to stick under there. So it's coming along, and I don't know why my dog is barking, but she sees maybe a deer or something out there. But anyways, I just kind of wanted to show you how I'm kind of moving things around to have them in places that are going to be handy. So anyways, thank you again for watching, and I hope you're having a great weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.